Hey my baby dolls, welcome back to another video. Today I'm so happy, I'm so excited. This video is me showing you and unboxing this beautiful bag by Teddy Blake. Shout out to Teddy Blake for sending me this beautiful handbag once again. I love their handbags. They sent me one last year and now I have another one this year. I feel like this is a Christmas gift from them to me. So I'm so excited to show you guys this bag. Let's just get into it. I am going to show you guys how I'm going to style it because I am going out for lunch later. So I'm already dressed, but I'm going to show you guys my whole fit and everything and how it can be paired with a beautiful outfit because it's just a gorgeous bag. So let's get into it. This is the box, y'all. It's so big. Like, look at this box. It's gorgeous. Look at this box, y'all. It's huge. Huge box. Love it, love it. Open it. This is how it opens. Super huge. It says Teddy Blake, New York, designer handbags made in Italy. Each Teddy Blake handbag has been made with you in mind to be an extension of your unique style and flatter in every fashion choice. This is beautiful. Thanks to Teddy Blake again. This is a beautiful packaging. Let's get into it. The color, oh my god, like y'all, the color is beautiful. So it comes in this nice dust bag. I always keep their bags inside of these because it's such a luxury leather bag. You know, you want to keep your luxury items covered and in good place, in good shape, in good condition, okay? So this is what it looks like. Oh my goodness, like look at this green beautiful bag. This is giving high maintenance, high class. Yeah. Do you see the color? Do you guys see the detailing of this bag? Like, it's a gorgeous bag. I love every detail of it. It's not too heavy. It has a really, the smell of it is definitely giving luxury leather, fine leather. Like, this is the type of material that will last you up for years. Something you can pass down to your daughter, your mother, like it can just keep getting passed on down because it's just great durability. This is their GG Croco Gold 13 is the size. 13 dark green bag, okay? They do have other colors. When I tell y'all they have a variety of different colors, like a variety of different colors. So it was very hard to choose because all of the colors are beautiful. The orange one, of course, stuck out to me because that's my favorite color, but it's something about this green. I never had a green bag. It's definitely even like a money green. I just love it so much. And it just fits for this holiday season. So this will definitely be a great gift for somebody to give to someone. I definitely have purchased with my own money with Teddy Blake for my mom because my mom loved Teddy Blake bags and she still have her bag to this day. It's still in good condition. She has had her bag since, it's been about like 4 years now and it still looks the same. There's no scratches, there's no cuts or nothing. So it's definitely worth the money and it's half of the price of a expensive brand bag. These bags are the extent of the same thing as Gucci, as the same thing as YSL. These are just literally half off the expensive brand bags. Like, when I tell you this will last you forever, it will last you forever. For the price of this bag, I believe it's around $400 or $500, which is half off high-end brands, okay? And you're still getting that luxury feel. The same thing as like I said, a Gucci or YSL bag. You're still getting that same luxury feel, literally. This is a luxury bag, this is luxury leather, but it's just half off that. Literally 70 or 80% off that. So yeah, you guys, you're literally saving about $900 off because something like this will be around $2,000–$3,000 for a bag like this, especially for the luxury of the leather that you're getting, the material and everything. This right here, I love the gold. As y'all know, I wear a lot of gold accessories. As y'all can see, I'm wearing gold, literally gold earrings right now. So I love the gold detailing that's in it. And then this is their name at the bottom of the bag right here, which I love too. We're gonna get into what's the inside like. So this is how it opens. It's literally sealed. I like it because right here inside is sealed. Nothing is gonna fall out this bag. Like nothing is gonna fall out. So you literally remove this side part right here. You can slide it back in. This is different. I never had this type of bag before. So you just literally remove the side, and then when I say locked down, baby, locked down. So that's how it opens for you. I like that because literally this bag is safe. Nothing is gonna fall out this bag, I guarantee you that. So this is what it looks like inside. I'm gonna take this tissue paper out. It does give you a strap just in case you wanna wear it crossbody, on the shoulder. This is the inside of the bag, and it comes very soft in the inside. It's like a suede feel in the inside. It comes with a side pocket. The side pocket is also that gold accent that's in it as well. So I love how it's still going throughout the bag, and you can fit a lot in here. So it's definitely a deep size bag. I just love it. It just gives a Birkin. Like this literally gives me like I'm wearing a Birkin. Like I kid you not. Like I'm definitely looking at the other colors. They have this lavender pretty color, this pretty pink, the black. You can't go wrong with black, a black bag. They have black. Oh my god, this beautiful color right here. This is like a taupe beige type of color. Love that. Oh my god, the red. Fire. I do have a brand bag that they sent me. I love that. Love that bag still to this day. Like red is so sexy. The red is sexy. The idea that Teddy Blake have with their brand is to give you luxury, but with half off the higher end brand. They work with Italian leather designers to get this look. When I say they do a very great job at what they give, they do a really good job at what they give. This is real leather, like real leather, for it to be half off the cost of what other brands are. Like literally to me, this is Hermes. This is a Birkin bag to me, you know, like, because this is real leather, just literally half off that. I am about to basically style this, put everything I want in my bag for the day, and then I am literally about to show you guys my whole outfit, what shoes I am pairing with this. I'm gonna stand up and show you guys my entire fit. Okay, you guys, so I am wearing a, sorry for the noise if you guys hear that, that's outside. I'm wearing a graphic tee, a cute little scarf, a fun scarf, some high-waisted light denim jeans. I am wearing gold accessories, which I was telling you guys that, oh my gosh, really? Wearing gold accessories, okay, to complement the bag, which y'all know that this bag has gold, some gold accent to it, which I really like. I'm gonna show you guys my boots. So I'm wearing these boots, these black boots here, leather boots, leather bag. Well, the bag is real leather. This is not real leather, but ain't nobody gonna know that. You guys can dress up or dress down with Teddy Blake bags. You do not have to dress up. You can wear something casual. You can wear something dressy. That's the luxury of these bags. You can definitely be versatile with them. I can definitely see myself wearing something more comfortable and casual with this bag. It's definitely going to the airport with this bag. Like, yes, you can just do so much. It could be a date night look with this bag. Like literally anything you want, you can do with this bag. That's why I love it so much, because it's just one of those bags that you can either dress up or dress down with, you know? I definitely think that this color complements everything I have going on. I have a little bit of green in my shirt, and then my scarf just makes it fun with the gold accessories. But this is the outfit. I really Love how this looks together. I'm so happy. I hope this gave you guys some ideas of how you can pair this bag with something. They do have other bags. This is not the only bag they have on their site. So please look at everything they do have fun on the site, enjoy it. They have smaller bags, they have big bags. So if you're not into big bags like me, I love a big bag. You can get something smaller. They have a variety of different styles on there. Get what fits you, and of course, if you're gifting somebody with this bag for the holiday, which will be perfect, definitely get what fits them and their character, but this definitely gets me. And I think that it just goes with so many different things. Like I was saying with the strap here, you can make the strap shorter or longer, so you can choose where you want, you know, the length to be on your body. Anyway, let's talk about the discount code so that you guys can get a percentage off. So as far as the discount code is TB Dollface Lyric 30, so that you can get 30% off. 30% off is bomb for a luxury real handbag. Are you kidding me? Yeah, I would run, not walk. Run and get this bag. It's a beautiful bag. Like I said, you can wear it every day if you wanted to. It will not tear. It will last you up for years. Use the link down below to purchase your bag. Thanks again to Teddy Blake. Let me know if you guys have any questions down below. And I'll see you baby dolls in my next video.